Yo. How's it going? We've had a break for the past couple of days. Right, let me just get the sound checked and then we're all ready to go. We're already down on the first trade of today anyway. It looks mad. Price action is just moving weird. And it looks like it's coming to stop us out right now. There you go. Stopped out of the first trade of the day. So let me just get the sound sorted before we carry on trading today. All right, here we go. Who's had a break this morning? I meant, who's had a break over the weekend? Yeah, not even this morning, just the weekend. Been like, it felt like too much of a break, didn't it? All right, let's have a look at what's happening. Ba ba bow, ba ba bow bow. Guys, who's live with us today right now? Look at that. Look at price action. Luckily, we weren't in the second trade. I wasn't going to take that trade anyway. I was just looking at what price action's doing. The TikTok's already put us on some sort of strange setting for some strange reason. Wow, look at that. Price action is moving absolutely shit right now. I think it's going to be one of those days where price action is shit. Alright, let's check the sound. Make sure the sound is okay. Do. It's quite a slow start this morning. I don't know if it's been a bit of a break over the weekend and yesterday was off. Yeah, not quite sure why it's just starting off slow and picking up very slow. The usuals are not in the building as of yet, so we're just waiting. We're waiting. Until then, let's just check out the economic calendar and find out if we got any news events or anything happening today. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, yeah, so today's a normal day. No news events. Possibly could be a last minute news event like there was last week, but as of now, prop firm traders are good to trade right now. No news events. If you're trading your personal accounts, just make sure you're protecting your capital, but other than that, you're good to go. To be fair, protect your capital even on your prop firms. Right now, the market was moving nice this morning. Could have caught nice. Thank you very much for following, Tylon. Thank you very much. It's just a bit of a slow start this morning, but it'll pick up. It'll pick up. It's a proper slow start this morning. Yeah, so the chat's working fine. Okay, so we are on a massive downtrend since the weekend. Thank you very much, John Luke. Thank you very much for following. Yeah, we are on the higher time frame. We are on a downtrend. Not sure if we'll get a reversal, but price is coming into the gapped area from last week. So if you remember last week, price pushed up, leaving a huge gap. I'll just bring that up on the 30-minute time frame. So price pushed up, leaving this huge gap here. So there's an imbalance in the market. So possibly price is coming down to that area. We don't know. Or is it just gonna retrace from this 30-minute fair value gap here and then have a reversal maybe? But as of now, I'm not sure what the market's doing. We've had a push down here. We had a retracement. So let's have a look at this. We came into a premium area. Nope. Nope. This one slightly did. From the Asian session, came into a premium area and we had a push down. Now I don't know if price is coming back into this fair value gap here and then we're going to continue pushing back down again. I'm not sure. Or is it going to disrespect it and then we sweep in the Asian lows and now we're just gonna fly high? We don't know. That's why we need to drop down onto the lower time frames. Okay, it looks like there may be a possible short time reversal maybe. Let's have a look. Let's drop down to the 1 minute. Maybe. Let's see what price is doing down here. I wouldn't usually take a buy like this, but because I haven't traded, I feel like just jumping into the markets and just being involved and then getting stopped out for no fucking reason. Let's have a look what buy would look like right now. Would we go for it? I don't know. We need a clear direction. We need a clear A+ setup before we jump into a trade. We can't just jump into a trade. Man, the weather's been so nice and hot, hasn't it, over the weekend? Who's found it too hot? If you're living in the UK, who's found the heat to be too hot? And who's really enjoyed it? Because I've actually loved it because we never get heat like that. And I love hot weather. Even though it fucks up my symptoms because I've got MS. But I still enjoy the hot weather because we never get any of it. So you might as well enjoy it. That's why we got the cold coffee out today, guys. All right, let me just check the sound. Does the sound all good? Guys, who's with us right now? Who's trading with us right now? All right, so if price pushes up further, I want to look for an entry from this area here. I'd put my stop loss round about there, and then I would put my take profit about. I'd fucking just let it ride out forever, how long it rides out. I just I just had a feeling. I just don't know why. I just had a feeling. Should I just put it here and then just trail my stop loss? I just had a weird feeling, but I don't know why. It's all right. We'll just take it easy today, as we've just come back onto the markets after a 3-day break. We'll just take it nice and easy. How's it going, guys? Who's trading with us right now? Who's trading Nasdaq right now? Why is this chat not kicking off? Maybe it's a bit early. We'll give it another 20 minutes for everyone to just join us. Usually we get about 80 to 90 eyes on us every single day watching, but then over 1,500 people just look and swipe. Why the motherfucking swipers? Never forgotten. Thank you very much for following. You know how it goes. Yeah, I think this area here would be nice for me to take an entry, but I need price to retrace deep enough. I don't need it to just but the only problem is we are in a downtrend on the higher time frame, so I don't really want to be taking any risky trades. I should have just fucking taken it from here in the first place, where I said I just had a feeling it looked like market was gonna reverse. We could have taken some profits, but we want a nice clear bull run. Do you not trade New York Open as well? Yes, I do. I trade the New York pre-session. And then when it comes into the New York Open time, I'm not usually on the live, but I will be on the charts. But pre-New York session, I do trade that. I do trade the pre-New York session. That's for Jay. What about you, Jay? Mahad, how you doing, Mahad? Nice to see you, mate. Did you have a good weekend, Mahad? Jay, do you trade the New York session or just the what session do you trade? Mahad, thank you. Yes, bro. Yeah, so Jay, about the sessions, which session do you trade? New York session, London session, pre-London, pre-New York? Which one's your favorite session? The only danger about this trade is, yes, I trade Open, New York, and ES. Nice. Where are you from? Are you from UK or somewhere else? UK, nice one. Yeah, that's the best thing about living in UK and trading. The hours are nice. We can catch the Asian session if you just want to sleep late. We could catch the London session anyway, because that's just our time. And then come 2:30 in the afternoon, if you're chilling, you can catch the fucking you could catch the New York session nicely. I'm not in a trade at the moment, the Hmong trader. The strategy that I use is market structure and following the higher time frame, finding my points of interest, and then dropping down to the lower time frame and taking my entries. So I've got a 30-minute chart in front of me. I've got a 2-minute and a 5-minute, but I'm looking to execute today on the 1-minute, but I'm not sure if I can find a nice entry that I'm really want to go for. You trade live? I'm funded trader, Jay. I'm funded. Right now I'm on a challenge phase because last week, like a twat, I blew my fucking fundeds for no apparent reason. The Hmong trader, I fucking love it, bro. I fucking love it too, man. Trading's just fucking, I love it. AJ Kugius, what currency are you trading? AJ, I am trading the Nasdaq instrument, symbol, or pair, if you would call it. We're on a futures market. I'm not trading Forex at the moment. I'm just on the Nasdaq. AJ, how long have you been trading, and what's your favorite pair you like to trade? Yeah, Jay, it's a funded, but I'm in a funded challenge phase, and I really don't know whether I should be fucking taking an entry here. I really don't know, because it kind of looks wrong, because on the higher time frame where bearish, but because I'm in the challenge phase, I don't really give a fuck. I'd oversize and try and pass it as quick as I can. But with take profit trader, you're on consistency, right? You can't make more than if you're on 25k, you can't make more than $750 a day. But then if you're on the 50k, you can't make more than $1,500 a day. So you have to do your 5 days consistency like that, and then once you pass your consistency, yeah, you're good to trade. And then you're on the buffer part, and that's buffer part is what fucks people up. What account size? 25k. Yes, I'm on a 25k at the moment. I'll just show you. Take profit trader 25k account. There you go. 25, $79 up. I've lost one trade this morning already. I tried to long from here. Oh, sorry. I tried to long from here, and I shouldn't have. No, sorry, I didn't long from there. I tried to long from here, this fair value gap here. I shouldn't have. I should have waited. It was a clear downtrend. I should have waited. But oh well, it is what it is. But we're still up. We're still up right now, and we're gonna keep trading till we pass it. Not like we don't pass these. We pass these for fucking joke normally. Flight 2570. I just got in long. Where? YOLO. Where did you get into a long? At what price on Nasdaq? Is it Nasdaq you're trading? Why don't you wait for breakout structure of a FEG? That's what I'm waiting for. That's what I was waiting for. I was waiting for price to actually come deeper here. So this is what I wanted. I wanted price to reverse from at least there to come into this area here. That's where I would have taken my entry. But price is doing its own shit right now. I'm not quite sure what price is doing. Mahad, gold. Mahad loves gold, man. Come on, let's have a look at what your gold is doing. Wow, gold is gonna look like it's gonna. Actually, it could be in the support and resistance zone down here. We don't know what it's actually doing. It keeps chopping. It pushed down, pushed up, pushed down. From this same area, it pushed up again. But that was. It still could possibly. That could have been a sweep of the Asian lows. Price can push down into this fair value gap or into this order block and continue pushing back up. So yeah, you look for a retracement and then you can go. But I don't really trade gold as much. I like my MNQ. I might take a gold entry actually shortly. Flight 2570 MNQ. Flight entry 29781. 29781. You took an entry here for a buy. And then where's your stop loss? Oil is going up. Yeah, it usually is. Bear with me a second, guys. I've got someone at the door. Okay, so it's coming to a point of interest where I would like, but I don't know if I want to take my entry from there now. Fuck. Okay, yes, Danny, how's the market moving today? Big moves? Nah, nothing at the moment. Just waiting. Had someone knock on the door. How you doing anyway? How's your weekend? I'm away in Portugal, no trading. Oh, nice one. Might just take a quick little buy here and see what happens. We are currently on a downtrend, so I'm not like going crazy about the trades today. I'm back in a challenge phase, lol cakes. I remember I told you last week I blew the accounts, but I accidentally oversized on an NQ rather than an MNQ. Oh, it was a fucking nightmare, man. Now I'm back in challenge phase this week. How you doing anyway? You having a good time in Portugal? Close to passing. Nah, not on this one. This one's just a starting one. I ended up getting the 50Ks as well. So I'm rotating them. But because I'm oversizing and just forcing it, we'll probably pass them. We might blow one or two. We might pass one or two. But then when you pass them, it makes money back for all the ones you've blown anyway. So it doesn't really matter. But yeah, maybe I shouldn't have entered in that area. Because we're on a clear downtrend. I'm trading against the trend right now. So I'm not sure if I should. If I even should be taking this trade. But oh well. Yeah, all good here, bro. Chilled week on trading. Chilled week on trading for me. Oh, okay. So what, you're just going to have a relaxing one? You're on a nice holiday then, yeah? With the family? You got the wife and kids and everyone? I hardly ever go against the trend on NQ. Yeah, you should never go against a trend on NQ. And this is what happens when you go against a trend on NQ. You get so far in fucking drawdown, they'll blow your accounts out. We are in bigger uptrend though. Yes, we are. That's what I was just waiting for price. I don't know what price is doing. Are we coming into that fair value gap on the higher time frames? Because this is going to stop me out now. I'm just waiting for it to stop me out. There we go. Oh no, there we go. All right, yeah, so I'm thinking, so that's 2 trades for me done today. So yeah, it's this. Maybe I just need to sit out. Lol cakes, yeah, wife, kids here, made the 200 yesterday, but got my daughter this morning. Okay, how did you find the markets yesterday? Because they closed early, didn't they? So I didn't bother coming online yesterday. I was like, nah, I'm just going to leave it out for today. And then I'll come back on today. Because yesterday was a Memorial Day on NQ or something like that. Or across the markets in the US. Yeah, I can't tell what price action is doing. I can't find a clear entry. I'm not going to go in until I find a super clear entry. Bank holiday, yeah, moves were slow in the AM. Got quick scalp in and out. Best way. Sit on hands at the moment, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. After taking a loss or two, then I get like, yeah, man, I need to get involved. I need to oversize, over leverage. Look, fucking price. I don't know if it's going to just react here or is it going to continue going up. But price decides to fucking go up as soon as it taps me out. Oh my God, that's so annoying. Today's just going to look like a bad day for me, I think. I'm sure today will look like a bad day for me. Today's going to be one of those revenge type of trading days. I've got a feeling. Oh my god, I shouldn't even be looking at entering anything. Oh well, we gonna go in. Green, not greed. Let's go. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I'm just waiting for a perfect setup, to be honest with you. Guys, who's trading with us right now? I think because everyone's had like a weekend off and they had like a bank holiday yesterday, I think it's harder for everyone like to get onto the markets on time. And Neil's rain, I got stopped out gold and then it pumps off. It fucking similar things happened to me, but it didn't pump off. Let me have a look if gold was in the right area where I was saying. Fuck's sake. Yeah, so on gold, the only thing I was waiting for is that I wanted this price to retrace deeper. But damn, what I would have liked is, to be fair, it could have just been from the swing low to the swing high. Price needed to come into this area if I took a trade on gold. Almost TP. I got stopped out gold and then it pumps up and almost TP. It's always the case, man. Right, so before I wanted price, it should have came down to here, but it, because it's not been into a premium price yet, so still anywhere around about here, I'd probably look at taking a buy from gold. But let's go back to MNQ for now. Let's have a look what MNQ is doing. MNQ is doing some weird shit right now. I just think overall it's not going to be a good day for trading. Maybe almost TP. I had to stop loss too high under the low. Wink. Yeah, because here we didn't break structure to the downside. Like here we broke structure to the downside. From here, price pushed up, pushed down, pushed up. We didn't break structure to the downside, so I might risk it for a biscuit. Do we risk it for a biscuit, or is price gonna retrace from this fair value gap and then just continue breaking down to the downside? Ah, fucking shit. I really don't know. I really don't know. Gold master, you gotta go. You gotta go. We don't do signals. See, I would risk that. That I would risk. But I still don't know if price is going to just push down. There's a massive gap on the 30-minute time frame. So I don't know if price is going to be gapping up into that area, balancing price out before it tries to even do anything here. Yeah, still not a clear entry for me, guys. So you can't guess and trade. You have to like at least follow some rules, right? Right, resync. Oh, what's the music on? Yeah, I might change it. This music is not not making the markets move good. Alright, let's go. Let's pause that. Let's sound that on. Alright, let's swap it over. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah. Let's get something a bit more upbeat. Alright, let's go, guys. Hey, yeah, Flipper, how you doing? How you doing, Flipper? Oh, for fuck's sake. Wagwan, man, they are. Yo, I've taken one loss. No, I've taken 2 losses this morning. 2 small losses, nothing massive. Still on my challenge phase at the moment. We can't lie to you and just show you wins every single day. We have to show you when our psychology is fucked as well. So like, everyone makes mistakes in the market, but it's how you continue trading from them. Do you just continue force trading, you just spiral out of control, or do you still wait for your perfect setups and then take your entries? So that's what I'm doing currently. I'm just waiting. Chloe, you gotta go. Chloe, what do you get out of just forcing these messages in? Like, no one cares about your fucking signals. Problem is, price messes with you, pushing up and down like that, and then it just goes against you. Timonti, thank you very much for following. I'm just trying not to spiral out of control today. So easy to do it, but I'm trying not to do it. Control their fake. Yeah, of course, man, of course. Three, 6, 2, 6, 3, 4, 5. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. Lol cakes hoping while I watch the baby. Now my missus lets me catch the New York. You gonna jump on the New York session then? Bro, you remember the trade we were watching Friday? Yeah, Flipper, which trade was it again? Should we go back and have a look while the market's doing its own bullshit right now? Let's go back and have a look. Let's go back on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so it's easier to just go back. Yeah, there was quite a few. There was quite a few on Friday. The Nasdaq. I hope you cook that after ending the live. Yeah. Trust me, bro. Trust me. I always do end up sometimes, but you know, after I end the live, sometimes if I've been too low, or if I've lost too many trades whilst I'm on live, and I really shouldn't be trading that much when I'm on live. 1, 2, max 3 trades. That's it. But then when I come off live, and then I just get into like super focus mode. But then I normally go on live again on pre-New York session, so then I end up sometimes catching one then. But when I'm not on live, I actually do come on the New York session, and then I do sometimes fucking catch something. But then that's just me time, you see. That's like just not going live, just being focused on the charts, not chatting, just giving all my energy to the charts for that 1 to 2 hours, and then fucking Nasdaq. What's it doing right now? Still not a good entry, to be honest with you. Could have entered it, like I said. My stop loss was below these lows, but price is chopping like crazy, so I probably wouldn't like to be in anyway. But I was looking like that. What's the price doing up there? Daily Dynasty. So if Nasdaq good during Asian session, you think it will be the same for New York session? It all depends. Sometimes no, but a lot of the times it's good on London session. It's only sometimes where like price will be just chopping, candles will be in horrible price action, but you tend to get good price action all the time. It's only sometimes, but even that, it just depends. It depends. New York market open always has volatility. It just depends what the market price action's like. Sneja _10. What strategy are you use, bro? I use the higher time frame analysis, top down analysis, mark out my points of interest, drop down to the lower time frames, and then find my confluences and then take my entry. That's what I do. That's my whole strategy. Just basically all of it, everything. POI like SMC, right? No, it depends. Like SMC just made it like it's theirs. ICT have made it just like it's theirs, and then other styles of trading have just made it like it's theirs. But it's actually what's been happening in the markets for like years. It's like a point of interest, or it's like an area where you'd like to take a trade from. So they call it a point of interest. So like in SMC, they would have said, okay, there's a fair value gap, there's an order block. Or some people would be like, it's a supply and demand zone. How long you been trading, my man? Been trading since 2023, but I properly started coming into the markets at January 2024. Was losing practically for the whole year and a half after that, maybe 2 years. And then is beginning of this year is when I started to see money coming into the account, because I started focusing more on my psychology and why I'm fucking up, rather than thinking about it as in I'm oversizing, I'm over leveraging, I'm forcing trades, I'm revenging trades. I started looking at why am I doing it, and then I started like getting a bit more clarity. Oh, I really can't see what price action is trying to do. I really can't. It is creeping up, but creeping up to where? Like, it's not even giving us a nice entry to enter from. 2-minute time frame is in a fucking chop. 5-minute time frame is just fucking weird. Anybody else trading with us, guys? Who's trading with us right now? Who's on the Nasdaq? Who's on the gold? Who's on the oil? Who's actually trading? I look NQ, but I think it's console. What do you mean console? Wait some setup. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just sitting on my hands and waiting. Because what happens more often than not is like when you're trading, when you take a loss, consolidation. Okay, sorry, console. Okay. I'm not familiar with that term. Boss, yeah, UFC, see ya, you gotta go. We don't do signals. Yeah, more often than not, what I was saying is usually once you take a loss, people start trading P&L. So that's the profit and loss. They start chasing the loss and they try to get back into the green rather than trading your edge. Whereas if you take a loss, what you're supposed to do, instead of entering straight away, instead of oversizing and entering straight away and just trying to make back what you lost so you get back into the green again, you're supposed to just wait and just trade your edge, and then you wait for your A+ setup or whatever setup that you got going on. Take your entry and wait for that trade to play out. But the thing is, us humans, we go into survival mode, so we want to trade profit and loss straight away because we're in the red and we're like designed to just go into survival mode. It's just the way humans are. The price is just doing some weird shit. So yeah, definitely won't be entering from there. Thank you very much, Niger 10. Thank you very much. Where are you from, bro? Thank you very much. +1 follow. Thank you. See you. The problem with prop firms, they're designed. Good luck, man. Have fun, man. Thank you very much. The thing about prop firms is they're designed like casinos. So it just amplifies like bad behavior. Fuck, man, I really don't know what price is doing. Thank you very much for following, J-Stick. Yeah, so when you're trading prop firms, because they're designed like casinos and gambling websites, like I don't really want to say the names because they start pulling you up on shit like that, but you know what I'm trying to say, because they're designed the same as casinos, they're designed to make you lose, and it amplifies bad behavior. So that's why they got all these rules. Oh yeah, you need 40% consistency, you need to trade an X amount of days to pass, you need to hit a profit target of 2,000, 3,000, 10,000, 20,000, depending on what kind of prop firm you're trading. So because they've added all these rules in, us humans, we don't like rules, we like freedom. So we want to just trade, pass, make money, and feel as if we're on our own personal broker account where we ain't got no rules holding us down. But because we have, that's what makes us lose accounts. So sometimes when you keep losing on prop firms, it may not even be that you're a bad trader. It may be that you're a good trader. You know everything that you're doing. It's just that you can't follow rules for prop firms because they're just holding you down. They're just messing with your psychology. And then you can't control your emotions when you're in that moment with the psychology. Yeah, man, this is shit. Literally can't find a setup. So look, guys, the 2-minute time frame is looking like this. Literally horrible. I wanted to take my entry here. It would have been nice just to keep holding it from here. But that fucking trade stopped me out here. So I couldn't continue going. Fucking TikTok, I'm live. What are you talking about? I'm sitting here. Guys, who's trading with us right now? It's very, very quiet. Like, is it because we've had like a week off? The week off. Not a week off, 3 days off. It felt like a fucking month. It felt like a fucking week because I needed the markets to be open because I wanted to trade. Who else gets that feeling when you're trading, but on the weekend it's just like the weekend's going slow when you're just sitting there bored because all you want to do is get on the charts? That's when you guys need to be back testing. That's when you guys need to even be on something like FX Replay. That's a good back testing software. It gives you that real feel of trading. Shall I give you a sneak preview? Shall I give you guys a sneak preview of FX Replay? Let me just load it up, guys. I'll let you know what it's like. So it's pretty good. I was using it yesterday and I was like, damn. Only if I had this before when I first started trading. I'm just starting to learn. Tanner Rubik is good. Just when you're in the learning stage, it's absolutely fucking wicked. Because you're just learning, because you ain't got no fear. You ain't got no fear of like losing money. You ain't got fear of actual what trading is and what losing is and what winning is. So when you're on a demo account and you're learning, you'll just give yourself an account of like $1 million or $2 million, something so unrealistic, and you'll be flipping them accounts. You make that 1 million, you turn it into like fucking 20-30 million because you're just purely fucking gambling on a demo account. And then once you start learning how to trade and once you start understanding trading, bang, you'll be in fucking losses forever until you learn to get out of it, because it's not the same as being on a demo account. But learning is good. So what you need to do, you need to just make sure you get all the education first and then start demo trading, and then stick to a demo trading account. Nish, yes man. Yes Nish, I'm trading M&Q. That's right. Yeah, so I was just showing the guys FX Replay. So imagine if I was on, so this is FX Replay, guys, yeah? And you're just back testing. So just say, okay, this is just pure random, by the way. This is not something what I would trade. You say, okay, now this is going to be a sell or a buy or whatever. You could put your trades on So just say I want to put a short position on from here. Stop loss there. Take profit there. Let's just remove the Fibonacci retracement tool because it's just making it look fucking weird. Let's do a 1 to 2. It's easier. You could just put the order on like that. So now there you go. Look, there's your price. Your price is all loaded up. Let me just put that onto the 1 minute so price moves a little. Let's leave on 30 seconds so price moves pretty quick anyway. So look, so that's tapped you into the trade. And bam, that stopped you out. So it works like real, like you're really trading. It's fucking, it's wicked. I didn't know FX replay was like that until yesterday. And I was like, I wish I had something like that when I first started trading. I would have fucking lost less and I would have been profitable quicker. But it is just the way it is. When it comes to trading, everyone learns differently. And unfortunately, us guys, we all like to take the hard route into trading. You do, Nish, you do get a free let me have a look. I just don't want to like be giving shit away because I'm not advertising it as in I'm making money from it. I'm just showing you what I was using yesterday. But I paid for mine because I was trying to get the futures stuff on it. Let me just load it back up again and then I'll tell you if you get a free one. So I need to log out of mine. So if I just push it up down here, then we'll check. Because trading, the price is moving shit. I don't know what it's doing, so I'll just show you guys some other stuff that you can back test on. Okay, so if I just go back from here. Okay, why are you trying to sign me in, motherfucker? I don't want to sign in. I just want to show these guys something. Yeah, so FX replay. Why does it keep taking me to a login page? Why don't it take me to a home page? fxreplay.com. All right, let's have a look at that. Yeah, there you go. Pricing. So when you sign up, yesterday I got an option for free. So, this might just be pricing if you actually want to buy it, but you do get a free option. They've just not showed it under pricing. But yeah, when you sign up to it, you get a try now as well. But when you sign up to it, you get a free option, and I think you can use two symbols on there that you can trade for free. But you might not be able to use NASDAQ or MNQ because they're chargeable. But it was cheap. It was something like fucking $12 or £12 a month. So just say you bought it for 1 month for £12 or whatever. But the MNQ, if you want to do MNQ on there and futures markets, I think that was 20 something pound a month. So imagine if you just for £20. I'm just starting out with a demo account now, but I'll have a look at it when testing. Yeah, when you're testing, then look at it. But right now, go with a demo account and trade the live markets. What you need to do when you're doing a demo account, you need to be on a broker that's more realistic. So you need to be with someone like Black Bull Markets, IC Markets, Awanda. So Awanda does like 1 to 30 or something like that. 30 leverage 1 to 30. You want to do 1 to 100. That's on IC Markets and Black Bull, because most prop firms are all like 1 to 100. It's only the swing trading counts that are 1 to 30. So that's the leverage you want to check, because the higher the leverage, the more money you can make. But then the higher the leverage, the more money you can lose as well. So you have to be very careful with it. And we are currently just still chopping. Let's have a look at what gold was doing. Wow, look at that. Gold is in a weird chop as well. because it broke structure to the upside and then came flying right back down. Let's have a look why it came flying right back down. Because there was a gap here on the left hand side. The market's just pumped up and it's probably going to go lower into that gap, balance the price out before it continues pushing up. So you can see on the higher time frames, it is very bearish. Is futures the best to start learning with, in your opinion? They're all the best. They're all the best. It just depends what you like doing and what your lifestyle is. So if you like Forex, you can look to Forex. But the thing is, on Forex, prop firms and brokers, they just charge you commissions and fees. And I forgot the other one. Yeah, they just charge. It's just commissions and charges. I forgot what the other one's called. But yeah, so that messes with your stop loss a bit. But futures, they don't charge the commissions and fees. They do, but you don't feel it in your stop loss. It's just added into the price. But yeah, it just depends what you want to trade and what your lifestyle is. Do you like to trade market opens? Will you be awake at market open times? Do you like to day trade throughout the whole day? Do you want to be a swing trader where you want to be in and out of the markets fast, within seconds to minutes? Or do you want to be a swing trader where you're trading for a few days to a few weeks, and an intraday trader between a scalper and a day trader? So there's all different types and different options. So all the markets are good to trade. It just depends which one works best for you. But I would say futures is a very good place to start. Because normally before, everyone used to start on CFDs with Forex and stuff like that. But that was very difficult, very volatile, and it used to fuck people up big time. So futures is good because there's a lot of education on futures all online on YouTube, and you can get that all for free. You can look at different styles of trading. You can look at order flow, you can look at volume profile, you can look at ICT, you can look at SMC, you can look at market structure, you can look at trend line trading. There's loads of different fucking styles of trading. So that's what you need to figure out first, and then you can just go into deciding which markets you want to trade. Yeah, I'm not impressed with the markets at all today. They are all a fucking pile of shit. Motherfuckers. Look how shit it's moving. Why would you even want to trade that shit? I can't believe I lost money on a trade this morning. That was fucking disappointing. Any more questions, Nish? How long have you been trading, bro? Nish still with us, or he's left us? Nish, thank you very much for following, bro. I've seen people scalping, and then people just taking one solid trade per day. Isn't scalping risky? Yeah, scalping is risky. Scalping is risky. Fucking day trading is risky as well. Tanner Rubik, thank you very much for following. Thank you very much, Nish, for following. They're all risky, and they all can give losses, and they all can fuck up your mentality for a long time. What is the direction for gold, bro? I don't know at the moment. It did pump up, and then it just pumped right back down again. It looks like it's going down to fill in the gap. A7 Medino, how's your day so far? A7 Medino, you're allowed to message in the group again, yeah? I told you I didn't block you, bro. Bro, my day's shit right now. Honestly, shit day today. Market's moving around like fucking shit. I took two stupid trades which I should never have fucking taken. I lost both of them. One of them, okay, I could have taken, but then I should have said, okay, I'm not going to trade now. But then I jumped into the same direction again for the second trade and then popped that one as well. And my stop loss was very tight. I really shouldn't have taken the trades. But it is what it is. You learn from it. You learn from your mistakes. We have to sometimes make mistakes. You can't be winning all the fucking time. I've been in short in so long. I'm in drawdown. How much drawdown you in, bro? If you don't mind me asking, have you made a living off traded, or do you work too? I don't work no more. That's why I'm sitting here right now. And I'm on trading every single day. I'm on the charts, 8:30 a.m. GMT to about 10 a.m. GMT, chilling. I'll have a 2-hour break. I'll do what I want. If I want to go gym or chill or relax with the family or whatever, enjoy the weather. And then 2 hours later, I'll come back on to trading again. That's only just now, bro. The past 2 years, trading fucked me up. I pumped a lot of money into the markets and I lost fucking every single penny I had. But I stuck at it and I still kept educating myself and I still kept learning, and then we came back. But that's not to say it's not amazing. It's fucking amazing, bro. You get free, but the thing is, you have to go through a lot of pain to get a bit to the top. User, thank you very much for following. Well, let's get them trades in, bro. User, I was trying to get the trades in. I lost 2 trades already this morning, so I'm not actually taking another trade right now until I see a proper A+ setup. And to be fair, I can't really see anything that I like at the moment. About to blow this new account too if it if it goes a bit up. Oh my god, bro. How many trades do you average a day? Bro, I used to take like fucking 50 trades, motherfucking scalps, quick ones. Keep blowing every single thing I got. I didn't know whether I was scalping or fucking day trading. I never had a clue. Now I take like 1 or 2 trades a day. I've taken 2 today already, and I never normally on live ever take 2 trades, and I've taken 2 fucking losers right now. But normally I just take 1 or 2 trades a day. That's it. I don't normally trade more than that. But because last week Friday I was on a fucking funded account which was giving me money nicely, I was using TradeSync, so I was copy trading it over across 3 accounts. I accidentally went on NQ on the New York session because New York session is volatile. The contract sizes all seem so fucking high. I put on 3 contracts instead of 3 micros, and my stop loss was tight, so I closed the stop loss without closing the actual trade, and price just went against me and blew me out. So I lost 3 funded accounts last week Friday, but we had already made enough money from those 3 funded accounts to fund some more funded accounts, and that paid off for the ones that are blue and many more. So that's the beauty of prop firms. You can make enough money on prop firms that pay for your whole challenge and many more to come. What's oil looking like? Oil was going up earlier. There's a gap in the market, so it's probably going up to fill the gap. I don't know, but let's have a look. So let's go over to crude oil. Yes, there you go. It was creeping up, like I said. Market open yesterday. Let me just fucking go into the lower, into higher time frame. Sorry. Wait, where the fuck is it gone? Where the hell is it gone? There you are. There you look. Market open. Just dump. Douche. Then Asian session came. Then yesterday came chopping around. And then today it's creeping up. But it looks like it's creeping up into this gap area here for price to sell off again, maybe from that area. But yeah, that's what oil's looking like. Oil's pumping at the moment, but not pumping hard enough, just steadily moving slowly. But fuck me, price action is shit, bro. Nish, thanks for your help, man. I appreciate someone who actually responds in the chat. Yeah, man, that's what you gotta do. You just gotta chat to everyone. Like, obviously, like, I went through a stage where I was doing exactly what you're doing. I was fucking trading and losing money and blowing accounts and opening demo accounts, closing demo accounts, fucking adding money into the personal brokers, losing that money. I didn't know about prop firms at first, and then I started spiraling out of control, bro. Spiraling out of control. Then I was trying to get information online. No one fucking responds. Everyone's selling courses, and it's just a fucking nightmare. So what I did was I just created something of my own, and I put everything into one. And that's why I've got my masterclass up at the moment, because I've put everything in there from beginner all the way to ending. I can just give you let me give you guys a sneak preview of that in a minute. Let's just see what the markets are doing actually. To be fair, I knew market was gonna be moving up. I just didn't know where it's gonna be moving up from. So this is where I took my loss. Stop loss was round about here. I think it was round about here, somewhere here, yeah. That's where it fucking dropped off. Still wouldn't have made that much. Fucking shit, bro. Okay, whilst price is moving like shit, let me just show you my trading course and how it works. Because I put everything into one place. Because online it's just difficult to find a structure to train and learn from. So guys, it's like, okay, 1 second. Do I want to take an entry from here? Do I really want to take an entry from there? Maybe about here. Let's have a look. Limit. Turn that down. Stop loss there. Take profit all the way there. Put that contract size higher. No, bro. Yeah. Why would you not trade there, bro? I'm just asking. It's all down to oil prices. 87 Medino, just joking. No, I'm not actually taking an entry, Mosho. I've taken 2 losses today already because I just couldn't figure out what fucking price was trying to do in this area. And it actually moved up from that area. It's just that I was only a few ticks away. And it just fucking stopped me out before it continued into that same direction. So I'm just trying to figure out what price is doing. It's just chopping around. It's horrible at the moment. Oil's going up at the moment, slowly. Yeah, wait till New York open. That's what I was thinking as well. I might look at pre-New York session. In about 20 minutes, I'll have a little break and then come back pre-New York session, see if I see anything there. Oil was creeping up slowly earlier. Yeah, that's what oil's doing. Been creeping up. But there's a gap on yesterday opening. So it might be slowly going into the gapped area to sell off again. But I'm not sure what it's doing. Show us the structure, please. You want to see the structure of the oil? We just looked at that. You want me to bring it up again? Okay, so let me just do on 30-minute time frame, so it just makes it look easy. You can see the whole screen. So here, there's the gap of the opening. No, the course. Oh, okay. Price is pissing me off today. All right, so let me just show you. That's not the fucking course. That's not. Where the fuck is it gone? Oh, here it is. Yeah, you guys see that? So you got introduction. Everything's just put out in order. So you got module, trading foundation, introduction, what trading actually is, trading markets explained, session time and volatility, indicator trading essentials. Then you got the brokers and prop firms information. You got trading view walkthrough, MT5 walkthrough, other types of market orders, limit orders, stop losses, prop firms, order types, and then like a little bit of homework. Model 2 goes into candlestick mastery, then market structure, swing high, swing lows, market structure, breaker structure, change of character, time frame, support and resistance, fundamentals. Then you get into 3, the advanced price action. You get order blocks, fair value gaps, premium discount price, liquidity. Then you get model 4, risk management. Then you get module 5, that's where you bring it all together. So how to enter and exit of each area. It's pretty good. It's pretty good the way I've done it. Let's just give you a little sneak preview. Let's go into candlesticks. It's like that.
Change the candlestick colors so they don't mess with your psychology like I have, and I will show you an example shortly. In a bullish green candle, price open that it's pushed all the way down and
so it's like that. So it's all nice, it's all good,
that the
everything in order,
in control. But the markets are so unpredictable. The next
yeah man. So it's good, it's very good. It's all, and it's everything's in order. It's not like when you're looking on YouTube and you're learning how to trade and you can't actually figure things out. It's just shit. You're chasing around people as well, asking questions, and they're just like fucking fobbing you off. One second, Tanner, I'll just let you know, 1 second. The notice is unclear. I'm still not sure why I got this restriction. Yeah, so today I just changed the candlestick color as well. Yeah, man, it's just a fucking psychology thing, isn't it? Still does the fucking same thing. That motherfucking down candle still comes and stops people out. Or if you're going for a sell, the up candle still comes and stops people out. It still does the same fucking shit. Just that it's a bit less on the psychology. How much is the course? Let's go back and have a look. 1 second. Let's go on minimize that. Let's load up this. Go on what.com. La 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 la. Today I just changed candlesticks as well. No, the red and green plays with greed and yeah, because the red and green, it's survival mode, isn't it? Once the humans see red, they see danger, so they think, oh no, quickly, price go back up. And when they see green, they see safe. Trust every color would do you bad. Every fucking color will do the same fucking shit. Every color would do you bad. If it's gonna go against you, it's gonna go against you. Whether that candle's fucking red or if it's fucking orange or brown. Still gonna be shit. But this is where I would have liked to enter in for a buy, actually. A bit more lower. I would have liked to enter for a buy. But price action is a piece of fuck right now. To be fair, it's actually... it could be a retracement in the higher time frame. To just push right back down again. Yeah, it could be. Could be. About here would be nice. Then takes profit around about there. I'd like that. But would it do that? I don't know. So we'd want a deeper retracement. Oh yeah, sorry, I was telling you how much the fucking course was. I totally forgot. See, the markets just distract you. Guys, so if you go on my Linktree, if you go on linktree.com/FX Trader 2024, you get this page here. Yeah, so you get Alpha Futures discount code, you get Funding Pips discount code. Funding Pips is not futures. I don't think they do futures. I think it's just a CFD, but Alpha Futures is. You get Trade Zeller discount, you got Trade Syncar, Market Structure. Oh, so you get a free Market Structure Masterclass, which takes you a free page on YouTube. So you get one video talking about just market structure. Anybody wants a free journaling template, you get a free journaling template here as well. And then you can access the full trading course, and this one's for the lives. So if you click on full trading course, so there you go. It's $1999, $2,000 at the moment, but I put a 60% discount on. So let's have a look what happens when you put the discount code in. Let's see how much it goes down to. The add promo code. So let's put in FX Trader 2024. Apply that code. Hey. Oh no, it changed to Danny 60, didn't it? Danny 60. So if you put 60%, apply that. Boom. That's how much the course is. £726. All the way from $2,000. After the 60% discount, it's £726. Oh my god, is that all it is? That's fucking... How much in dollars? Let me have a look. Let's get the GBP USD tool out, man. GBP USD. And trust me, yeah, it's got that much info. Oh, you motherfucker, I missed my trade. Oh, for fuck's sake. Fuck. I told you, Mo Shaw, bro. I told you, bro. Fuck, man. I would have just like, even if I just put my thing there, that would have been about $800. I would have just waited, bang. I would have let it hit. Or at least I would have just bought my stop loss in like that. I just held it at $170 or whatever. Oh, man. Look, it came exactly into the area that I wanted and just pushed off fast. So that's how you do it, guys. How much in dollars? A7 Medina, if you just wait maybe 1 second, man. I'm just missed another one. We'll show Leroy this tomorrow. Oh my god, why me? It's probably just a retracement on the higher time, but I don't know what markets are doing today. I'm just gonna leave it out for right now. That would have been nice. To be fair, I was looking to enter from here as well. I did want that. Yeah, what was I talking about? How much is GBP USD? The pound sterling 726. It's about $978. The thing is, if you buy 5 prop firm challenges and you pay the activation fees, you pay more than that anyway. So, and then if you end up blowing all of them and you don't know how to trade, what's the point of even buying them? Wouldn't you just buy something that gives you the fucking knowledge to actually try and pass those and make money from those? Because if you pass one challenge, it'll pay for your whole fucking damn course. Right, let's go. Let's see what's happening here in the markets. La 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 la. Got 5 minutes. I'm gonna call it a day after 5 minutes, and then I'll be back onto the markets again. About 10 a.m. 10 a.m. I'm finishing at 10 a.m. About 12 p.m. pre-New York session, we'll be back onto the markets. But yeah, I didn't like it having a bit of a like I had Saturday, Sunday out of the live, and then I had yesterday out of the lives because it was Monday, and it kind of threw me off. So I didn't actually like that. So what I'm going to start doing is I'm probably going to start doing a live every single day anyway, just for the hell of it, even if I'm not trading. At the end, you selling the course, bro, do you know why I made that course? I'm not selling it. No one even has to buy it out of you lot, to be honest with you. I don't really care, like, if anyone takes it or not. I've just put it up there. You know, the reason I made my own is because I purchased some courses. Let me show you. I'll show you the fucking names as well. Yeah, and I got ripped off. So let me just show you the names of these guys. Yeah, they've literally ripped me off, and they were like dickheads, man. Them training courses. So if you can see over here, make sure you don't lose another trade, bro. It don't matter. I don't need to lose another trade. I can lose it and blow it and pass another thing anyway. Look, I bought all these courses, man. All them courses on the side. None of them could give me the information that I've put into mine. And it was just all bullshit. Which one? Moshe, which one do you mean? How did you put things together? So basically, look, check this, yeah. If you go to trading courses, so if this is what you want to learn or whatever, like, even if I just went to the main ICT one, wherever, you can't even fucking find the original ICT one, wherever it is. This is someone else uploading it as well. It's not even actual ICT guy. Let's just click on it.
Get the global markets in the palm of your hand with
They will put a whole load of courses on the side. You won't know, like a lot of people just join it and just start studying it. They don't know where to start, what to look at, how to trade. They don't tell you an actual strategy. They don't tell you if price comes into this area on the higher time frame, how to drop down in the lower time frame, and how to find an entry and execute that trade. They don't tell you things like that. And I was stuck for ages, just jumping from course to course, and no one could give me the information that I wanted. Like, all I wanted to do is trade simple and not with 100 indicators and all these lines and trend lines and all the rest of that bullshit. I just wanted to do simple trading, and I found a simple strategy and the way I trade, and I've put it all into a course where it's simple. It's like trading for dummies kind of thing. So that's the reason I've done it, because I know there's gonna be hundreds and thousands of people that want to know how to trade that never will get into trading, because the information online, they hide it. They don't show you everything. That would have been my TP1 hit, I think. Let's have a look. Yeah, so they don't give you the actual blueprint. They just fucking, yeah, that would have been TP1. The orange line would have been my TP1. Boom, hit. And then I would have waited if it went up to their second one and hit that. That would have been good. Nice, $1,000. That would have been fucking absolutely lovely. I wish I never missed that trade. Let's see how much I needed to size up on that one actually to even get there, because right now I was literally exactly same from the halfway line as well. So put the stop loss here. That would have been $250, 787 on the first target, $1,147 on the second target. But then if I sized up, I would have, if I sized up on that trade, stop loss obviously would have been, what the fuck? Yeah, so $300. The first target would have just been $1,000. Oh, that would have been absolutely fucking amazing. Oh, why didn't I fucking enter? Do you know, I had my targets on as well. How do you put things together? So basically, you put things together. This is why I'm always here online giving out free information all the time. But the thing is, Moshe, if I said to you, give me something for free that you've taken 5 years to learn, you wouldn't want to give me that information for free, would you? Then you say, oh look, but you're still selling a course. And the reason that I put that everything together in a course is because I don't want to give my information for free that I've hard blood, sweat, tears, crying days learning to fucking trade the markets. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? That's where I'm coming from. So what I do is I come on live every single day, Monday to Friday. T2, oh, another guru. Yeah, but we're trading live, bro. We're not show your P&L. Bro, I just lost 2 fucking trades. How much more can I show you? Look, here's the P&L. My account balance was supposed to be on 25,000, but right now my account balance is on $24,786 because I lost 2 fucking trades. So what else do you want? Bro. Oh my god, T2. Why? T2, if you want to join us, join us. Don't fucking come here talking shit. If you want to join us and trade live with us, you can trade live with us. And I had this trade marked out way before this trade even played out, way before you even joined our group, and this was already going into profits. So you can carry on, or you can just like keep fucking being a dick for no reason, or you can join us and trade with us. What's fucking wrong with that? No one's selling you anything, and you don't have to buy anything. So the only problem you would have had is if I've sold you something, but I'm not selling you anything. A7 Medino, that's what I'm saying, man. It's so annoying. That's not the point, bro. The issue comes with you trying to make money off people if you're not profit. Bro, the thing is, I don't need to tell you if I'm taking money out the markets or not. Like, why do you need to know if I'm taking money out the markets? Bro, this would have been my second TP, you see? That's where the aim was here. So hopefully it's going into this area. It's going to be hitting the ICT 2022, guys. The strategy everyone uses. It's free on YouTube. T2, you've not been here long enough for me. Listen, man. I've been telling everybody. You not ready to get onto my masterclass or buy my masterclass if you don't even know how to fucking trade. So I send everybody onto YouTube and I tell them ICT, SMC, market structure, order flow, volume profile, trend line trading, anything to do with trading is all on YouTube for free. And the people that trade with me every single day, they will know that I tell them to go and get the education for free because everything is free on YouTube. Look at that that would have been TP hit, guys. Absolutely amazing. And then I give my time. I'm here trading every single day, Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. GMT to 10 a.m. GMT, 2-hour break, and then I come back on about 12 p.m. GMT every single day. I had a long since 766. Mad, I took the profit at 800. Oh my god, 766. Bro, oh my god. Do you know what? That's where I lost my trade, around that area here. Price tapped me out and then fucking continued into that same direction. I was so pissed off, T2. Jack, ICT 22. The method, by the way. Yeah. Go do it, man. It's good for you. A7 Medina about to short this. I don't know, Medina. I don't know if I would short right now. I don't know. The way the market's moving choppy is weird, but price has pushed up. Absolutely amazing. Look, do you know what? T2, this is what I don't like here. I don't like showing off or putting my sets on and showing everybody, oh, look how much money I'm making. Yeah, I don't like that. That's just bullshit. But now that you've mentioned a few things today, I will put a couple of things on. This is just from my alpha futures and not even from my take profit trader. Yeah, let's look. There's one, there's two. Is there two? Yeah, there's two, there's three, there's four coming. There's a couple. That's only just alpha futures because I've only just started using alpha futures as well. And then I've got take profit traders and I've got a few other ones and I've got a few other ones. So yeah, we do take payouts from the markets, but I just don't like. This is the first time I've even put my sets on. I don't like putting my sets on and showing off. I don't need to tell people. I would wait for a drawback to 800 then long again, to be honest. Jack, no sir. Did you take anything yesterday? No, nothing yesterday. Yesterday was like a shit day. It was a Memorial Day, sorry. It was Memorial Day and it was a shit day for the markets. And the markets were closed, but they're very choppy. But you could have caught a trade. There's many people that caught trades. I had one of my friends on earlier here, Lol Cakes, his name is. He actually caught a trade yesterday. I'm going long only until we further away from the all-time highs. Sancho, are you trading on their new platform? Oh, bro, Sancho, I've not traded on the new platform. I was going to, but they had some glitches and stuff on the new platform, so I didn't bother trading. I believe, let me just have a look. I did have a look on their... I did have a look on their Discord. It was on their announcements. Let's have a look. API issues have been locked in. We need downtime to make sure it's finally fixed. We've extended telephone support today. Do you know what? All the support, that's why I love Alpha Futures. All the support's been there, guys. It's wicked, but I'm not trading with their new platform. Just for I'll probably give it a couple more days or a couple. Actually, I'm gonna give it a couple weeks, and then I'll trade on the new platform, because that way I'll know all their glitches are. I'm new, bro. I just hate the guru shit where people try to charge beginners to teach basics. No. On mine, I always tell everybody, if you're a beginner, I tell them don't fucking buy my course, because my course, okay, it's got stuff on there that is totally for beginners, but that information they can get on YouTube for free. But then my stuff has the advanced stuff in it. So like, let me just give you a quick preview as well, because I did give guys a quick preview earlier. Let me just give you a slight preview of why mine is slightly different to everybody else's. Because I bought a couple of courses when I was studying and it was just a fucking rip-off. So if you can see this, yeah, so I've got the trading foundations. So the foundations, this is all the information you can get free from the internet. But look, I've got here trading view walkthrough, MT5 walkthrough, brokers, prop firms, order types, prop firms, and then you got module 2, candlesticks, market structure, swing high, swing lows, market structure, time frame, support, resistance, fundamentals. Then you got order blocks, how to identify fair value gaps, how to identify premium, discounting prices, liquidity. Then you got risk management, how to deal with risk management. And then you got bringing it all together. Bringing it all together is the part really that I'm charging for, and that is entry and exits from order block areas, entry and exits from fair value gaps, how to use the Fibonacci tool, how to go from the higher time frame to drop down into the lower time frame, and how to get your, and how to find your entry, exactly how I showed this entry online. So it's not only that I've put it on there, I actually trade that live every single day, and this was the fucking trade and it played out and it pissed me off. Oh well. Yesterday was cheeks. Jack said yesterday was cheeks. I missed my long. T2, I'm long in 800, 805 retrace. Have a good day, G. Long at 800, retrace on. Yo, guys, listen. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 past 12. I need to be off right now. So what we're going to do is I'm going to jump off. I'm going to be back on pre-New York session again, guys. So I'll see you at 12 p.m. if you're going to be trading with me live. So I'll catch you later, guys. Peace out. Bye.